Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix 404 error in Shopify. So 404 page error are really bad for SEO. For example, if you are migrating your website to Shopify from different platforms, or if you are having an existing website with a lot of links which is crawled by Google and having good ranking in SEO, then you have to fix the 404 error in order to get back or for a healthier SEO. So basically this is the list of 404 pages which we have exported from Google Search Console. Okay, so this will be provided by your SEO analyst or digital marketing person. So you will be getting a list of 404 pages. You are having a lot of pages crawled by Google, or if you are migrating a website from a different platform to Shopify. Okay, so you can see that these are the pages which are having 404 error. So for example, if I'm just opening this link, I will be able to get 404 error. Okay, and so we have to fix this in order to get good ranking in SEO. So for example, if you are having a page in your old website which ranked well in Google, and if you are migrating to Shopify, then you are going to lose that page. For example, this website, they were having good ranking for this page maybe, and when they migrate to Shopify, they lose that ranking because actually it will be going to a wrong page. So if you go to this page, you'll be able to see that like it's 404 error. Okay, so like in today's video, I will show you how to fix this. Okay, so the first thing is to get the list of 404 error pages like this, and next thing is to add the corresponding pages which is available within the current website. So which means like in this example, so if you are going to this page, you can see that this is the contact us page, and it's having 404 error, but the correct link in our new website is this. Okay, so this is the correct page which takes them to the contact us page. Okay, so same like this, you have to find the corresponding correct pages for each 404 or not found pages. Okay, so like this, if you are going to this page and open this link, you can see that this is again 404 error. So what I can do is I can just go to this page which is the most matching page for that 404 error page. Okay, so what I can do is I can find the correct URL in our new website. Okay, so this is how I have done it. And once I am done, first you have to find all the corresponding correct pages from the new website. And the second step is to go to your Shopify admin panel. From there you can click on online store and just click on navigation, and you can see view URL redirects. Just click on that and you can click on create URL redirect. In our last example, this is our 404 error page. So what I need is, like, instead of going to this page, it should reach this page. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just copy the error page or the 404 error page and to this part, like redirect from, and I'll be copying this link to redirect to. Okay, and just click on save. So once you are done, we can try to open the link again and see. Yeah, now it redirect to the correct page instead of going to the 404 error page. Okay, so this is how you can add the 404 redirection in Shopify. Thank you for watching.